In this video, I'll show you how to make text vertical in Google Docs. The first thing to know is that Google Docs does not currently have a normal built-in button that rotates regular body text vertically the way some people expect. In practice, the usual workaround is to create the text inside a drawing and then rotate that text box or word art there before placing it into the document. Google's Docs help confirms that you can insert a drawing in Docs, add a text box or word art, and rotate objects inside the drawing editor. So first, open your document on a computer and go to Insert, then Drawing, then New. Inside the drawing window, you can either click Text Box if you want text inside a box, or use word art if you want more stylized text. Google's help page for drawings says both options are available in the drawing editor in Google Docs. Now type the text you want. After that, click the text box or word art to select it. You should see the rotation handle, and Google's drawing tools let you drag that handle to rotate the object. If you want the text to appear vertical, rotate it until it is standing upright in the direction you need. Once it looks right, click Save and Close to insert it into your Google Doc. If you need to change it later, that is easy too. Just click the inserted drawing in your document and choose Edit. That opens the drawing editor again so you can adjust the text, size, or rotation without starting over. This is useful if the vertical text looks too small, too large, or not aligned the way you want on the page. Now, if your goal is not rotated text, but text that reads top to bottom one letter per line, there is another simple method. You can type one letter, press Enter, type the next letter, and continue until the full word is stacked vertically. Google Community Guidance points to this as the simplest way to get that kind of straight vertical letter-by-letter effect in Docs. There is also an important limitation to keep in mind. If you are trying to rotate text directly inside a table cell in Google Docs, that is not really supported as a normal Docs feature right now. Google Docs Community answers repeatedly point users to the drawing workaround instead, or in some cases to using a Google Sheets table if true cell text rotation is required. So the easiest method is this. Go to Insert, choose Drawing, add a text box or word art, rotate it inside the drawing editor, and then place it back into your document. That is the most reliable way to make text vertical in Google Docs today. Hope the tutorial was helpful. Subscribe to my channel and see you in the next video.